I don't understand this popcorn. This thing, they made it for microwave, not for this. They even draw it. Come on, join you. Oh guys, come back with me. So guys, this is our lunch. Come on, join you. Oh guys, come back with me. Our yummy cake. Cupcake. Cupcake.
Okay.
So,
Mama,
so thanks for watching.
Mama,
So guys, we are back to make popcorn for our Miranda. To be honest, he's so happy. So how many is inside? Mama, here, hurry up, see. Wait now. It's 3 packets inside. Don't worry, I will do it. You have to open it first. There are packets, Jackie. We are mother. Because some packets of popcorn. Okay. I can even put it here with this thing. You can put it with this inside the micron, eh? Really? Look at this, guys. We can put it like this inside micron. Inside microwave, yes. No. Don't do it again. Hey, or you can open it and fry it. Let's see it now. Yeah, I thought, let's get the wrap a little bit. With this capsule, with this thing packets, we just put inside microwave. But we don't want to do it with microwave because we have already prepared this one. I'm a mug of oil. Hey, Mama, yeah, I'm another day. Guys, see it. Look at it now. They have already put sugar. Hey, everything is already inside. Can you keep quiet? Let me talk. Guarda. Another misculato tutto. Basta prendi così e metti su micron. But let's try here. Okay, then with the second one. Oddio! Sorry guys. Sorry. Let's try this machine first. Don't touch it. Yeah, all everything I've already inside. Sugar. They have already prepared it. Wow. I feel like what days. Wait, let me do spoon. Don't open another one. No, don't open.
Okay.
Because you just put it like that in the microwave.
Mommy, we can never do this.
I'm not gonna popcorn now go chop. You can there go normally. You have to fry it with fry pan or this machine. Who are that? Can you food for your idea? Then I'm going to use it. It's easier now. Because this is my first time buying this kind of popcorn. Okay. I even blew my sugar out. And you have already prepared. It's good when you buy something rich instruction so that you know what you're doing and you know how to do it.
Mommy, I'm better.
Okay, all inside.
Ah,
Because this one I've already prepared, yes. Expect. Okay. Let's see whether more gaga whatever.
Wow.
Come, è rotto?
No. Ah già.
Onye ka ọ na-agbazi ọkụ? Ka Mark na-emebigo ọkụ ka dịkwa mma. But the machine is still on. Hey.
Mommy, porca na quanto?
Look back.
Yeah. I love mommy.
So guys, I don't understand this popcorn. This thing, they made it for microwave, not for this. They even draw it. Can you see? So we made a mistake. I don't know whether my machine will break. Eh? Kid, that popcorn machine is economic. Eh? I couldn't have put it. Look at the way it is. Just to eat. And the others is not. Oh yeah, didn't you? That's really far. This small. No, I think I will. Look at. Can you imagine? No, it's machine. Let me add it in oven. In micro, sorry. Microwave. So you can eat that one. Take the small one. So let's put the dough here. One. And let's read the instructions very well. Okay. Micron. You can't tell him! Yeah, because you have to set micron too. Three minutes. Then so guys, you have to end now. Look at this. Are you seeing it? Voila, guys, can you see? It's supposed to go to micron, not this my popcorn machine. Where's the figure? Get figure. Now we'll open it. Don't even need scissors. Aspetta. Oh, can you see? Can you see? Hey, I'm not open. I'm going to tell you guys. Wait now. And there's too much salt on it. Ole! We'll add sugar because it's too much salt. They added only sugar. Only salt, sorry.
Alia. Aqui, ó.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Come on, join us.
Now, that's live.